to withdraw money from Steam account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Steam account. So the easiest way to withdraw your money from your Steam account is to get a gift card and send it to your friend and ask them for the cash. So in order to get a Steam gift card, you just have to click on the Steam gift card from the left hand side of the screen, and after that just scroll down and select a digital gift card and send it via Steam, and click on send a digital Steam gift card. And here just scroll down and select the card of your preference with the amount that has been written over there and the amount that you have in your account that you want to withdraw. So for example, for the first one, just select it, and after that you just have to select the name of the friend from the search bar to which you want to send this gift card to. And after that you can also write a message, and once you're done just click on continue, and on the next page you have to mention your payment information and review your purchase and click on continue. And this way your gift card will be sent to the friend that you are selected, and then you will be able to ask the money from that particular friend who will receive the gift card. So that's how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Steam account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.